Hey guys, so I have here this Opel Adam and I want to show you how to replace the headlight bulb of this vehicle. So it works the same way for the passenger and the driver's side. So we're starting out with pulling the lever here right next to the driver door to open up the engine compartment. And so we have the hood here, and there's another lever that's right there where my hand is. You have to pull that up and then we can open up the hood, and then here we can secure it so that we can safely work in this engine compartment. And so in this case, this here the passenger side bulb that we're replacing today. And if we look here from the inside, then you see here these little covers here right by the headlights, and we want to open up here the second one that's further to the outside, and we just rotate this counterclockwise just a little bit, and we can take the cover off, and that gives us access here to the socket of the light bulb. And you see this little lever here, and you're just going to push this up, and then the light bulb with the socket is going to pop out by itself, and there's not a whole lot of wire to play with, so you have to work right locally there. And you would take out the old light bulb here by just wiggling it like back and forth until it comes out of its socket. And while you do that, you want to make sure to remember the orientation of the light bulb in the socket here. In this case here, you see this new light bulb, which is actually of type H7, and this one has 55 watts, and you want to use the exact same one. And now we're installing already the new one, and you see this little black bar on the top of the socket. That's where the round part of the new bulb goes into, and this little pin that you see on the bulb, that is facing the other way. That's really important to remember to do exactly like this. And now the leads of the new bulb, those go right into these little slots here where those arrows are pointing into, so in case you're having trouble getting the new bulb into the socket. And also, while you're installing it, make sure that you really do not touch the glass accidentally or get any grease on it, because that just reduces the life of the light bulb. And so now we already pushed this into place. Now we can install the light bulb again here. With this little tongue that's on top of the light bulb, that has to face upwards, just like you see here in the video. And then you push this in all the way as far as it goes, and then eventually you're going to hear a little clicking sound, and that's the signal that everything is okay and installed correctly here, just like this here. Wow, did you hear that? That means the light bulb is installed correctly and securely, and now we can just install the cover, put that back on, rotate it clockwise so that it's sealed and we don't have any water issues later on, and we're pretty much set. Now just make sure to safely close the lid by just dropping it just like this here, and you're ready to go.